In front of me is Google Pixel 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can enable suggestion strip at the top of your Gboard. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling to hit System section available here. Now click on Keyboard section under Navigation and select On-Screen Keyboard at the top. Then hit Gboard on the left. And when you're ready, choose Corrections and Suggestions. Finally scroll and use this switcher next to Suggestion Strip to activate it. So when I go back to check it out, I can see that Suggestion Strip was successfully enabled. Now thanks to it, you can tap on gear icon and access the same section of your settings right away. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!